My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying, they take me away. My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying.
Yo, what's cracking, YouTube? It's me, your host, Toon, aka your favorite sneakerhead. Once again, bringing another sneaker pickup slash sneaker review, early sneaker review. I got a little brain fart right there, I apologize. But before we get started, I need you to do me a favor. Like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram, all in the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. So, on the way to the spot, not trying to make it hot. That was so clownish. But yeah, on the way to the spot, I'm gonna give you another early review. This is part 2 of a 3-parter. Well, not really a 3-parter, because the third shoe that's included in this pack, well, not really a pack, but like 3 shoes coming out on the same day. Well, look, we already know what it is. You see the thumbnail, you see the title. It's the Mama Day pack. Again, I don't know if we should call it a pack, because they're not like, they're 3 different models. I think I think 2 of them is the Kobe 8s and 1 is the Kobe 4, but I think that's wrong. I think 1 is the 8, 6, and the 4, if I'm not mistaken. Don't quote me that, but this is 2/3 of that. I already did the Kobe, the Venice. I put that above right now. It'd be right there if you want to see the review for the Kobe Venice. This is the second one, the Phillies, like that. And then they got the camo joints. I think they call it the Italy's or the Italians or something like that. But I doubt I'd be able to get my hands on that shoe. I'm actually going to try to get double pair for one of these pairs, and I'm going to try to trade that. So hopefully that works. Because I do want all 3 pairs. So I don't need all 3, but I do want all 3. You know, there's always a difference between want and need. But anyway, just ran through a red light. Just ran through a complete red light. Anyway, let's get to this review. And I will be back after the review of the shoes so I can give y'all some detailed information like I always do. So stay tuned for that, and we'll be back. Okay. As you can see, we got the Kobe box once again. This is going to be the second pair. If you remember, I did the first pair, the Kobe 8 Venice. I'll leave that up there right now, something like that, just in case you want to see the review on that one. But yeah, all black Kobe box, nothing special. Black logo in the middle. Got the scales on the box as always. This read, what's that, Kobe 4, right? Yeah, Kobe 4 Protro Varsity Royal White. I think suggested retail price is $190 if I'm not mistaken. Size 8.5. This is a personal pair. I will be getting this pair as also, just like the Venice 2. I actually like these a little bit better. You tell me what y'all think is better. Oh, there you go right there. But let me pull it all the way out. Right there. Boom. Put that right there. And without further ado, we got the Kobe 4 Protro Philly. Boom. Okay, so we got the Kobe 4 Protro Philly. I turned the flash on so we can see. It's a little bit dark back here so y'all can really see him. But right off back, you see that red, white, and blue. This is his shoe to represent his I don't know if we say hometown, but when he was raised and born in Philly. I don't know if he was born in Philly. Was he born in? I know he lived in Philly. His dad played for the Sixers, if I'm not mistaken. I could be wrong about that too. I'll give y'all some real accurate information, but I do know he lived in Philly. We got that white Nike swoosh right there with the red outline right there. 24 on the back. Got the stars right there going across the collar and a lighter blue. I love these laces. Got that checkered white and red laces right there. Got the Kobe logo on the tongue. White midsole. Got blue toe cap, two-tone blue. Got a darker blue, that ocean blue, and this lighter sky blue right there. On the bottom, you know, we got red splattered with the blue, white, red Nike swoosh right there. Black carbon fiber on the side. Dope shoe. I like this. Actually, I like these. I still like the Venice is better. I mean, the Venice is just my style because the colors and everything like that. But these are nice. These would be a close number 2. Then he coming out with a third pair too, which is the camos. I doubt I'm going to be able to do a review on those. But yeah, man. These are coming to local Foot Lockers. I think Champs, stuff like that. These are going to be easier to get to the camo. These are the Venice. The Venice should be the number 1, easiest one to get. Then going to be these. And then it's going to be the camo. I think camos are only going to Nike's outlets. I mean, I'm sorry, Nike retail stores. I'm sorry, not outlets. But dope shoe. What y'all think about it? Let me know if this is a cop or drop for y'all. This is definitely a cop for me. I do advise to go half size up because I'm an 8.5, which these are 8.5, but I will be going to 9 because the Kobe's will run kind of small. So these are dope. So let me know what y'all think about this. Was it a cop or drop? Y'all think y'all gonna get these on Mamba Day, which is in like 3 days. These come out this Saturday. So this is the early review for these, what I like that. So, but yeah, let me know. I mean, these are dope though. I like these. So yeah, let's get back to the spot so I can give y'all some accurate information. Oh, we got the Kobe signatures right there too in the back. But yeah, all right, let's get back to the spot so y'all can really get some information. Okay. Hope y'all enjoyed that little detailed review of the Kobe, was it 4, right? Kobe 4 Philly. Yeah, now I'm gonna give you some information. I'm actually on my way to go get some food. I am starving. I think I'm gonna go to Chick-fil-A. Chick-fil-A sounds good. But anyway, let me just put this up. This will be just like always. It will be right next to me, side of me right now. So it should be up right now. This is off of hypebeast.com. Shout out hypebeast.com. I'm gonna read this while I'm at a red light. It reads, fans of the Nike Kobe line should have April 13th marked on their calendars as 3 sought-after pairs from the line are set to make their return. In addition to the Kobe 6, oh, it's the Kobe 6. No, I said that. I said the 8, the 6, and the 4, so I was right. The Kobe 6 Protro Italian Camo, the Kobe 8 Protro Venice Beach, the Kobe 4 Protro Philly is coming back to shelves. Oh, let me just get past this real quick. Equip with its eye-catching red, white, and blue color combination, the pair stays true to its original 2019 form. As mentioned, release goes down April 13th via Nike sneakers and selected retailers, starting price of $190. So $190. I think I said that too in the review. So I was right about that too. I'm supposed to make it right here. Can I make it over? Can I make it? Yes, I can make it over. Thank you. All right, so can I give y'all some images? Do we got any images on here? No, they do not. So nice kick. I mean, Hypebeast do not have any images, but that's the shoe right there. And I think y'all got enough of the actual shoe when I was showing y'all. Let me stop that real quick. All right, now I can focus on dropping. Yeah, so Kobe Phillies, I like them. I do like them. I do want them. I never had a pair of Kobe 4s. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Kobe 8s are my favorite ones. Again, I never had a pair of Kobe 4s, so I'm looking forward to, hopefully I'm able to get them. I saw that the numbers that's dropping on sneakers is gonna be a lot. Like, especially, I think the Venice was number 1. I know my local Foot got a lot of Venices, so I know that's gonna be easy. I'm gonna double up on that. I'm either gonna keep both pair, or like I said, I use the second pair for trade bait. And then this was supposed to be number 2. The camo joints are supposed to be the limited ones. They only go into Sneakers app, which is always a hit or miss, or Nike. Yeah, they go to Nike. So hopefully I can get all 3. We gonna see. So y'all let me know in the comments below if any of these are a cop or drop, especially the Phillies. Let me know in the comments below if the Phillies is a cop or drop for you. If y'all gonna go for any of these pairs. Like I said, I'm going for all 3. Venice, I know I'm going to get that. I know I'm going to get the Venices. The Philly, the Philly, I don't know. It's up in the air, but I got a good feeling about it. The camos is the one I'm really going to have to work for. So, but yeah, anyway, like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my man's Instagram on the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. And as always, from me, your host, Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead, represent Tune's Kicks and the whole Tune Squad. You know what to do. Have a nice day.